Hello, Pascal again. So I'm now close to the line. Well, I'm on the corner of the line of Pasalubong area inside the Baguio City Market place. So let's take a look how it is now. It's raining, so we'll try to stay cover. I'll give you a quick look of how it is here. Let's start with clothes for sale. Handmade baskets. I don't know if it's all handmade, but I'm pretty sure some are. Rugs.
With your me, sir.
Hello. Jewelries. So the main part, it's after here. We'll start really here. Here you have more like a regular Pasalubong everywhere now. We're into the heart of it, so you can see like biscuits, cookies, everything that you can buy and bring to your family. Jams for sure. Baguio jam is very popular here. Ube jam. So you can see all of those here. Peanut butter. There's many peanut butter.
Yes, sir.
Hello. So, you see the theme of wine, for sure. Wine also, and broom. We just been to Bagulin yesterday, so those broom here, they're made there. Many are made there at Bagulin. They grow the plant and make brooms direct there on their farmlands. So those one here, they're good. Cheesecake. Strawberries, mostly from Trinidad, I would guess, for sure. Everywhere here on top, Baguio bags. Baguio City. Keychain. Sure, travelers or foreigners, they will buy a lot of keychains now. Now we're entering a place a bit. It changed a bit here. We have like fruit stuff here, many fruits. On the other side here, it's one of the good one here with the veggies. Veggies again, and then again we return to the regular Pasalubong. There's many stores. Strawberries are well displays. Range.
Yes, ano yun?
And you see, when it's rain, well, it's fine here. We're covered, so not a problem. This place will run well all day. All well displayed here. Beautiful. Tomato, as my wife say, kamatis. Many strawberries on that side until there. It's all strawberries. There is even more than before. I guess we're on the good time for that. It's the good season. They have pots even very high. Hard to get those one up there. Here's one of my places that I go often here. They sell beans, they have coconuts. So they have many there. And then we have a rice place here. So all this way here on both sides. There's a truck that is delivering probably. So we have rice all the way here on both sides. So this is mostly the end of the Pasalubong line. End up with a good place with bread. here. Take a look what they have. So it's always fun to see those. It's colorful. You want to try them all, right? So after the Pasalubong race, we connect here. There's dry fish here. So we connect here. There's like meat area here, and then you go front here, and then you enter like the veggies market. It's my spot really. I'm going here often to buy. My number one place to buy really. You enter here and you go to the corner mostly. When you're more on the corner at from that one when it's curved, this is where they receive a lot of veggies. They arrange them, and mostly I get good price there. So that's my tip. You go more around the corner, you check the price. It's mostly there, because if you buy your veggies on the main line on Pasalubong crowded place, you will pay the tourist price for sure. It's higher, but it's easy to catch, so that's the thing. If you go down here, we cannot see, okay, but this is a place that have a lot of flour if you want to buy flour. So yeah, we enter veggies now. Everywhere. Citrus. I buy. Hello. Well, this is really my spot. I buy often here. Tomatoes, citrus. It's good. This is my citrus corner. Start to have also cabbage. Then here, if you need carrot, you're on the right spot. You can check on this line here, make a quick look, but then you need to also check on the other side. This is where they wash it. So I will go and I will show you. This is really the best place you can find carrots at a good place. So you come here on the other side, and then here we go. Those one are mostly for already sold probably, but here, this is the place. If you want to buy a good carrot at a good place, they're washing it here, and you have many prices. You buy the smallest carrot, they are the one that have the best taste, and they have a good price. So this is the place to be for carrots. Hello, welcome. So okay, so this is it for that video. I will continue to make more video about Baguio, the market, and everywhere. So don't forget to subscribe and follow. I will continue to make you content to know more about Baguio, how it is. If you never see Baguio for real, I will show you. Bye bye.